I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select essential blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now select action. Academy LMS. Connect. Next. Choose an actions. Choose course. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Academy LMS dashboard and you can see here I have already enrolled 3 students in the courses. Now go to your other logged-in user. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Go to your course page and you can see that enrolled successfully here. Now go to your Academy LMS dashboard. And you can see that another student added to the enrolled course. Go to Student. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Academy LMS. Thanks for watching.